Hey guys, I've got an idea that will blow your mind. We don't have any face masks left in our country, and there's no way to get them. We can't import, you have to make your own, and if you don't have any fabric, then you're screwed. You can use old underwear or whatever, but I've got this original idea. This is percolator coffee filters, and what you can do with this is, this looks a bit like those duck bill mouth guards to me. Yeah, so what I say is you can take a bit of rope, maybe, then you can use a stapler. I mean, you can change the size afterwards if you put a little knot in, but let's just try. So let's do it like that, and I'll do the other side, and you put this around your ear, and this thing will, yeah, it'll pull into your mouth, and you'll have a very good filter system. Let me see if I can do a demo. Okay, found something. Okay, this is me. Then you just attach this over your nose and face, and this goes around your ears, and there you go. A perfect filtering system for you to go to town now. Speak to your friends. There's no way spit or sneeze can go through this thing. Well, liquids can actually go through, but solids will not go through. There you go. Have a nice day.